everyone, welcome back to my channel. I missed YouTube so bad. Oh my gosh, so much stuff has been happening to me in the last few months. I can't wait to catch you guys up. In this video, I will be doing my everyday makeup routine. I have acne-prone skin. I don't hide anything from you guys. If you're new to this channel, welcome to my world where I show you guys everything. Over the years, I've gotten distracted, and I always make myself get in my own head for some reason. It sucks, but I'm trying to break out of that. I love creating content and I want to do what I love, and this is what I love to do. I love it. I love everything that comes with it. I love inspiring people, helping them to feel more confident. I love trying out new products that you guys are afraid to try out, or we could get our skin clear together. That's the ultimate goal here. Everything that I'll be using in this video will be down below in the description box for you guys to shop. I'm going to try to get the link to everything directly. But yeah, it's going by pretty fast. Let me catch you guys up on what I did so far. I used the Girl Sunscreen. I used the mineral one because they said that's good for people with acne scars. So yeah, that's what I use every day. Sometimes I feel like it gives me a white cast. So when I'm not wearing makeup, I try not to use it, or if I do use it, I put Aquaphor over it. And then I go in with a little moisturizer, which in this video, I used the Good Molecules Lightweight Daily Moisturizer. And after that, I use the NYX Eyebrow Glue. I love that thing. They come out with a new formula, and it leaves a white cast on the eyebrows. I do not like that one at all. At the end of the day, or I should say 4 to 5 hours into my shift, my face becomes so oily, and I'm trying to find why. I don't know if it's because of the moisturizer, the sunscreen, the foundation, but in this video I am using the Dior Radiant Glow foundation, and my shades and everything, like I said, will be down below in the description box if you guys are interested. And this foundation is pretty cool. I don't know if it's also this. Like I said, I'm trying to figure out what exactly is making me so oily at the end of the day, but it's pretty cool. Like I said, I was gonna pick between this and NARS, and I went with that foundation because I felt like it was more of a color match for me. This is a Juvia's Place or Juvia's Palace. I'm not sure. I always get the name mixed up. This is their concealer, and I absolutely love this thing. I was just looking at it like that because I was trying to figure out, did it have words on it? And I used it so much where words came off of it. But my shade will be in the description box. I love this thing. As you can see, I use it also to do a little highlight under my eyebrows. And yes, this makeup is not perfect because once again, this is my before work quick thing. Or if I'm just going to go somewhere real fast and I feel like I need some makeup on, this is my quick little 10-minute makeup routine. Literally 10 minutes, y'all. I lied to you not. 10 minutes. I don't know if I'll let you guys know. Kason is in the background because the boy just woke up because, like I said, was getting ready for work and school. And Kason is 5 now. They just grow so fast. I just cannot believe it. But yeah, he's 5 now. And like I was saying, I'm going to catch you guys up. Guys, why did I have a ruptured appendix? So I had emergency surgery to get that out, and then I found out I have a hernia that's pushing my stomach into my chest. And when I tell you discomfort, I haven't had in certain foods, alcohol, I stay away from soda, spicy foods. It's so bad, but thank God. God is so good. He's so gracious. He's so merciful. It's starting to calm down now because of my diet changes, but I'm just praying it heals on its own because I do not want another surgery. I'm traumatized from the appendectomy I got done over the summer. Like I said, these last few months, just crazy, a whirlwind of emotions. So much has happened. And I'm just grateful. I'm just grateful for life, grateful to live, to be able to tell my story, to be honest with you guys. So yes, I'm just blending out the makeup, and so far everything is being covered. On that little brush, I also had used the little NARS Complete Concealer to go on my acne scar because, as you can see, the Dior foundation is not full coverage. It's kind of a sheer like a glow. It's called Radiant Glow, I believe. And it gives that vibe, like a Radiant Glow vibe. It doesn't give full coverage vibe, if you know what I mean. I'm using the Morphe banana powder under my eye area and then around my face, like my forehead, my T-zone. I'm going to be using the MAC powder. I'm going to put the shade in the description box. Like I said, Kason is being in the background. Funny. Like, I'm just so distracted right now from him. I'm so sorry. And of course, my bed wasn't spread up because of that. And I promise my room is not a mess, y'all. It's just sharing a room with a toddler. It makes a room appear messier. Like, everything is neat. If you guys seen the floor, everything is neat and put up nice. But once again, if you're a mom or if you're somebody realistic watching this video, you know, like, this is life. You guys are getting everything right now. I'm using, my brushes I use is the Real Techniques. The Beauty Blender is from Real Techniques as well. And I already had put it on, but for some reason it didn't get that clip. So that's why I was like fake putting it on. But I was just showing you guys the areas I put it on. And then I was using the Sephora mascara. This mascara is good, but I think I'm going to go back to the Maybelline. Because Maybelline, you cannot go wrong. This one is okay. And like, I'm pretty much done in this clip. I'm just adding my little touches. The mascara face is like so funny to me. But I use like this old liquid eyeliner. No, like liquid gel liner. The one that you use to make the wings on your eyes. And then I enhance my mole. I promise I have a little beauty mark / mole on my face, whatever you call it, by my eye area. And then I hate when the eyelids get so creasy, so that's why I'm putting a little powder in there. But as you can see, everything is like, wow. From where I started with all them acne scars showing through, and I promise this makeup was done in 10 minutes. I'm looking photo ready by the ending of this video. Oh, just so cute. For some reason, above my eyebrows look so not covered or like pink still, but I promise everything was good. Like, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys. Let me know down below in the comments what you want to see next. I do have a try on haul coming up, but KK, bye.